Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in Jackson at this school, and there's actually a Fedelcode Model 5/7 up there. I'm just trying to get a good view of it. This is the FS 2001 SRNB that replaced it. And I need to go really far back, and you'll probably only be able to really see the hood. I'm gonna see if I can use any of this playground equipment to my advantage or something like that. Ugh. This is annoying. Walking right across the whole parking lot. Gosh. Oh, there we go. You can see the hood just to the left of the tree, like right around there. It's hard to see though. Trying to see if I can use this playground. Oh yeah, you can see it way better up here. So yeah, you can see it. Still kind of hard to see since it's so far away. It's like right there. It like camouflages well with the tree in the background. That's the hard part. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Already starting to run out of SD card space. So I'm just gonna have the video stop here. So bye.